I'm going to show you how to embed the time code in a movie so we can attach Foley that we're going to record and sound effects to the fight scene via the time code. Okay, so the first step is you're going to launch DaVinci Resolve and start a new project. At this point, you'll already have a library in DaVinci, hopefully, RTVF30 library, and you'll have already decided where that's going to go. If you don't see that library, it's here in the projects window. Okay, you're going to say new project. And I'm putting 3 because I've already done this a couple times. So create. There's your empty DaVinci Resolve. You're in the trim window currently. Navigate to your Finder. That file that you downloaded for the movie, drag that into the clips area here. Go ahead and change the frame rate. And it's going to import the clip into the media pool here. Once it shows up here, you can drag it into your trim window and then click here to your timeline edit window. Once you're in your timeline edit window, if you hit play, you'll notice there's no time code embedded in the actual movie. Okay, so we're going to do that now. We're going to go up to Workspace, Data Burn-In, and we're going to say Record Time Code. Okay, we're going to close that. And now look here, you've got the time code embedded in there. Okay, so you got one more step so we could work with this in Logic. You're going to go into the Deliver tab here, the little rocket. You're going to name it. Okay, name it like that. Scroll down, go to Advanced Settings. Under here, you're going to want the data burn-in, same as project. You can export it with none. If you're doing editing, you can just use the time code while you're in DaVinci and then have it not be part of the final export. But we do want it in there so we can do audio. So same as project. Add to render queue. Here it is. You're going to navigate to the folder you created for this project. Hit save. Now it shows up over here in the render queue. Hit render all. And it's going to go through the timeline and render out the movie with the time code embedded. When it's done, it's going to look like this. And there it is with the time code embedded into the actual movie. So you can see the time code and we can line up time code in Logic Pro for when we place our Foley and sound effects. Show you how to import the movie into Logic and get set up with your time code viewer and check the time code. So go launch Logic, File, New Project. Let's open the multi-sampler stereo, open library, create. We could choose a classical piano just in case we want to do any scoring. We'll close that. Navigate Command tab to your Finder. Drag the fight scene with time code in. Extract it. Yes, use 29.97. Okay, here's your movie with time code. Let's open up the views up here. All we have is movie right there, so we're going to control click, configure global tracks. We're going to add marker, arrangement, tempo. Click anywhere and get out of there. Go into view, say secondary ruler, and now your time code's up here. Go to here, say beats in time, large. That shows you your SMPTE time code here. Let's open giant time display. Here's your giant time display here. Drop that below here. Play your movie, and let's see if those two match. See, here's your hours, minutes, second frame. Okay, so 305, 305. Okay, right here. So we are matching. 428, 428. We're set there because this time code starts at 0. Okay, now we're ready for the next step. Okay, so at this point, you're going to want to save your project. Kill Bill Audio Edit and put your name on it. Make sure it's in your data RTVF folder, in the folder that you created for this. Make sure it's a folder. Audio files. Oh yeah, and let me make sure that movie files are checked. Save. There it is. Now we're ready to continue.